All right, first grade. I wish I was there with you. I hope you had a good day yesterday. I heard you guys got stuck in the classroom for most of the day, so I hope that that's not the case today. I hope that you have a chance to do outside recess and then get to go to math today. But regardless, wherever you are today, make sure you are remembering our class rules. One of the rules is we have to stay in our seat the whole time. And anytime we're in the classroom, we need to make sure we're whispering. So when the substitute is talking, we're not talking. When the substitute has us working quietly, we're working quietly. If the sub says you can whisper, only your neighbor should hear you. The sub shouldn't hear you. No other pod should hear you. So when I'm not there, you still need to do the right thing, okay? So I'm expecting to hear a really good report from our substitute today that you listened the whole time, that you stay seated, that you whispered when it was time to whisper, you lined up quietly. Remember, I think we're lining up with pod three first, then four, five, one, two. I already gave out your jobs yesterday. You know what they are. Show the sub that you are a very good class. This week, or today, we're going to do another book. Yesterday, we had fun with Alexander and the Terrible, No Good, Very Bad Day. Today, we're going to do a book that we probably read at the very beginning of the school year when we were back at school for only 3 hours a day. Do you remember that? We read a book called The Little Cloud the very first week of school. Today we're going to do some activities with the little cloud. We're going to learn and not really learn because we've done it lots of times in first grade. We're going to review sequencing, ordering our story or putting our story in order. Sequencing helps the reading make sense. So when we are reading, we want to be thinkers. And so as we read or as we listen to a story being read, we pay attention to the order. And then today you'll be listening to The Little Cloud by Eric Carle, and then you will be putting the story in order. So go ahead and watch the next slide, a video on sequencing.